how to fix repeated failed login attempts or other suspicious activity shown on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how can you fix your Snapchat account when a message like due to repeated attempts or other suspicious activity your access to Snapchat has been temporarily disabled appears. So you have to first go to your app store and make sure your Snapchat is updated. Make sure that the here the update option is not there. And then another thing what you can do is go to your iPhone settings, scroll down until you find apps, and there search for Snapchat and turn on background app refresh. For that you have to make sure that your low power mode is turned off and toggle the background app refresh. And then another thing what you can do is go to general, and here you have to to iPhone storage, and then scroll down and find Snapchat, and then tap on offload app. So this does not delete the data, but it helps to refresh it, and then your app will be still available for download. So after offloading the app, you have to go back to the app store and reinstall Snapchat again. If that also doesn't work, then what you can do is you can restart the device by swiping down the notification bar and tapping on the power button. Sometimes this goes a long way. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.